Mix chocolate with eggs for a quick dessert. Crack 2 eggs into a frying pan. Add 2 tablespoons of 50% chocolate. Turn on low heat and mix well. When it looks like this, it's perfect. Now remove it and transfer to a blender. Sweeten to taste. I use some sugar and milk to help blend. Blend it thoroughly. This is the ideal consistency, folks. Now pour it into a smaller container. Then refrigerate until chilled. Look how quick, easy, and delicious our mousse is. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.